Hello and welcome. Today we're going to make Greek salad. You will need one whole cucumber, cut that in half and quarters and then into chunks. I peel mine. If you don't want to, you don't have to. You will need one green pepper, cut that into thinner pieces and add it to the bowl. Then I've got 200 grams of small tomatoes, cut them in half. You can use the bigger tomatoes if you want. One red onion cut into thin pieces and add that into the bowl. 200 grams of feta, which I've cut into cubes. Then add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. If you don't like red wine vinegar, use white. Give everything a good mix. Add the feta around the top of the salad and add about 20 Kalamata olives. Sprinkle over some oregano and it's ready. Enjoy!